Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y over x, y over x. So they are the read number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1. So I will put about v in here. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. Now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. This one we change by this one. V minus V we cancel. So this one I will put this one in here, the S and S go in here. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. This one we have sin V dv. The integration of this one we have cos v. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and we have seen here about v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s, and now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.